You driving family, natural disasters. My baby is in kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside. That don't relate. I can't relate. Can't relate right now, but who would have thought I'd give you? Oh yeah, baby. Who would have thought? And now take some time just to be thankful. And I have things for you. Yeah, before it winds down into the memories. It's all just memories. Yeah, it's a memory. Don't you love when I come around? Build you up and I take you down. Don't you love when I come around? Build you up and I take. Ooh. Bruh. That used to be the song I thought I was gonna like. I used to think like I wanted to sing that in my wedding. Like I be having songs like in different like times in my life where I'll be like, I'm singing this at my wedding, when I get married, or when I have some type of ceremony that symbolizes me. I don't know, cause I don't know, y'all. But whenever I found my whenever my forever is forever present. You know what I'm saying? Whenever I find my forever, or whenever the forever find me, like I'm gonna have a song I'm gonna sing. Like I love to sing, bruh. I don't know if I'm good. I like to think that I'm good. I don't know. It's just something I always like to do. I've always like loved to sing. Like it's fun. It's fun. You know what I'm saying? Like it's fun. So I just be doing it just to like practice, Why not? It's fun. Anyways.